Hi English 110 students. I want to talk a little bit about the peer review assignment for the research essay rough draft. So this is just a rough draft, so do your best and make it as complete as you can, but definitely upload it by the deadline so that you can participate in the peer review. I really feel that peer review has a lot of benefits. One of the benefits is that you get to see how your classmates approached the same assignment. You have different topics and you'll get to learn about a different topic, but you'll get to see how your classmates decided to structure their research essay. This might inspire you to try some things in your own writing. And it can also be something that helps you think about the assignment guidelines and ask any questions for clarification. So one of the things I wanted to mention is that for this peer review, there's a rubric. And I want you to just focus on filling out that rubric. So as a peer review, your main job is to respond as a reader. What do you think is really interesting? Is there anything that's unclear? What's really working for you as a reader? And you are not an editor, so you do not need to and should not try to correct grammar, punctuation, nitpicky things like that, because really you're giving it more of a holistic reading and thinking about what's working really well for you and what are you confused about as a reader. So you definitely can leave comments on your classmates' draft if you want to, with the little bubbles and highlighting and comments in the margins. This is optional. If you want to just fill out the rubric, that would work really well as well. Talk a little bit through the rubric. So one of the things I want you to leave feedback on is the introduction. What did you think of how the writer opened the essay? What worked? Do you have any suggestions? Try to be specific. If there's something you thought worked really well, go ahead and comment on that. And then the thesis statement. So for this essay, you're taking a position on an issue or you're analyzing the issue. So you could be writing a cause-effect analysis or a problem-solution essay, but the thesis should be very clear and should present a clear position about the issue or clear analysis of the issue. And then you want to take a look at evidence. Are there any sections that need to be backed up by more evidence? It is a research essay, so you will want to have some evidence in each body paragraph. And also thinking about evidence, you don't want to have too much evidence. So your goal is to synthesize and analyze what you found in your research. So you want to guide your readers through the evidence and have enough of your own voice around the quotes and paraphrases and statistics so that your reader knows how you're analyzing that evidence and what to think of that evidence. So if you notice a section that has a ton of quotes, you can comment on that, make some suggestions, or just point out which paragraph maybe has too much evidence. Overall, I think it's really useful to think about 2 or 3 pieces of advice. What's a few things your classmates could do? And then 2 or 3 areas of strength. So what stands out to you about the essay? Every essay has areas of strength, whether that's the creativity, the organization, word choice, something interesting that happens in the introduction. So look for a few things that you thought the writer did really well. So that is it for the peer review instructions. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to email me. Thanks for watching this short video.